Cesaria Barefoot Contest, pass to begin, Gallery Arlo, Joel's Choice, Angel Dugo, Si Senor, Pink Lady Kampay, and Pleasure Giver is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Gallery Arlo, goes on by about 3 lengths. Barefoot Contest in second, 3 lengths. The winner now is Joel's Choice. Angel Dugo is racing in fourth. Si Senor in fifth. In between horses, Pink Lady, Kampay second last, and Pleasure Giver still trails the field. And it's still Gallery Arlo, by the lane, Barefoot Contest, Joel's Choice on the outside. And it's still Gallery Arlo, Joel's Choice, Barefoot Contest in third. Then followed by Angel Dugo, Pink Lady, Gallery Arlo, by the lane, getting up. Joel's Choice is on the outside, second, Barefoot Contest. Angel Dugo also moving up. We have Gallery Arlo, followed by Joel's Choice. Angel Dugo, Pink Lady on the outside. Angel Dugo moves up to take the lead. Gallery Arlo, Pink Lady, Joel's Choice, Barefoot Contest. Angel Dugo, Pink Lady, and finally Angel Dugo, Pink Lady, Barefoot Contest, Joel's Choice, Gallery Arlo. Then comes Pleasure Giver, Si Senor, Kampay.
Pink Lady, 27157 estimated forecast.
157?
Yep.
Ba?